Mistplay gift cards usually fail for 3 reasons. The redemption hasn't fully processed, the email or account info doesn't match, or the gift card provider is delayed on their side, even after Mistplay marks it as sent. By the end of this, you'll know how to check if your reward is still pending, fix common redemption issues, and get your gift card working without waiting around for nothing. First thing to check is processing status inside Mistplay. When you redeem units for a gift card, it doesn't always arrive instantly. Open the rewards or history section in Mistplay, and look at the status of your redemption. If it still shows pending, the system hasn't finished processing it yet, and the card won't work until it completes. Next, check your email carefully. Most Mistplay gift cards are delivered digitally, so they land in the email linked to your account. Search your inbox for Mistplay, and also check spam or promotions folders. A lot of users think the card didn't work when it's actually sitting in spam with the redemption code. If the email arrived but the code isn't working, the next issue is usually copy errors. Gift card codes are case-sensitive and often include characters that look similar. Re-enter the code manually instead of copying it, and make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the code. Another issue is region mismatch. Some gift cards only work in specific countries or stores. If the selected reward doesn't match your account region, the code may appear invalid, even though it was issued correctly. Double-check that the reward matches your location and the store you're trying to redeem it on. Now check for delays on the provider side. Even after Mistplay sends the gift card, platforms like Amazon or other retailers may take time to activate the code in their system. If the code was just received, wait a short period and try again instead of assuming it's broken immediately. If nothing works, open Mistplay support and submit your reward details. Include your username, the reward type, and the time you redeemed it. They can verify whether the card was successfully issued, or if there was a failure in processing. Most not working gift card issues come down to pending processing, email delivery problems, or simple code entry mistakes. Always check your redemption status first, search your email properly, and re-enter the code carefully before assuming it's broken. If this helped, like the video, and subscribe for more fixes for Mistplay and other reward apps.